How to add a Snapchat widget on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add a Snapchat widget on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change and add a Snapchat widget on iPhone, such as these kind of widgets, first of all make sure you're on an empty place, long press on your home screen, then tap the plus icon from the top. And here you can see Snapchat. Now if you want to find more here, you can just select Snapchat option, or you can just go to app suggestions, or you can simply scroll down, look for the Snapchat app over here, and over here you can see different sort of widgets that you can use, which would be a snap code, your snaps, your memories, or maybe your map. Now depending upon what you want, you can just go ahead and add this as a widget and make sure to enable whatever the permission it requires. To remove it, long press on it, tap on remove widget, and then remove button. This way you'll be able to add a Snapchat widget on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.